Hey guys, what's up? So in this video, I'll be talking about Dogechain and how you can be able to use your Dogecoin to participate on the layer 2 network that offers decentralized activities on Dogecoin. So Dogechain helps you to be able to interact with DeFi projects, GameFi projects, and NFT projects on the Dogecoin network. So how do we go about it? Would come to this website dogechain.doge and we'll click on bridge Dogechain or Dogecoin to Dogechain. So as soon as you get to this point, you want to connect your wallet first, and you have to connect to a MetaMask wallet. So once you've done that, you approve the connection to the Dogechain network. Yes, now we want to switch to Dogechain network. So we've been able to connect to our Dogechain network. Let's go back to Dogechain. Connect. Now here it's showing us confirm our wallet address, reveal address to send. So currently, while we're waiting for our unique wallet address, we just have to sign into the transaction. So sign in, and just go back to confirm. And this is our unique uh, deposit address. So with this address, you can send in Dogecoin from your KuCoin, your Binance, or whatsoever platform where you've got your Dogecoin, and send it into this address, and you'll be able to have it in your MetaMask wallet to be able to do some level of transactions on the Dogecoin network. So I'll be going to my Binance to send in some Dogecoin into this wallet address. Okay, so my Dogecoin withdrawal is now successful. It will take about 6 block confirmations to get the Dogecoin in this wallet. Okay, so hopefully we'll be able to. Let's just check our accounts to see. Okay, it hasn't arrived even though it's successful, so we just have to wait for a while and we'll receive our Dogecoin within the next couple of minutes. So currently our deposit is now successful. We've been able to deposit about $10 worth of Doge into this wallet, and that's how easy you can be able to send Dogecoin into your Dogechain platform to be able to interact with a DeFi project, to be able to use Doge Swap and so many other staking protocols and NFT projects that are on the network. So I'll be doing some further videos to help us see how we can be able to swap our Dogecoin to other kind of tokens on this network. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot. I do appreciate it.